Question 32. In some breeds of cattle, hair color shows codominance. The coats may be red, white, or roan, a mixture of red and white hairs. What are the expected phenotypes when a parent with a red coat is crossed with a parent with a roan coat? So it's talking about codominance. Codominance means that in the presence of both dominant alleles, the both characteristics are shown. So, for instance, this is talking about cattle. So cattle may have white furs with red dots, or red hair with white dots. Oops. Okay, you probably look like this. Have to change into this one. So like this. So it's showing both of its characteristics. That's what it means by codominance. Okay. So this question is asking when a parent with red coat is crossed with a parent with a roan coat. Then you just do simple problem solving. Not B, or you can see that 50% of the roan, the red, and 50% of the roan phenotypes are expected. So, hence the answer should be A for this one. Okay? So remember what it means by codominance. All good.